this is the Expando Finisher that is on your tray. So take a look. There is, this is sterilized. This is the Expando Finisher. And if you open the blister, take the file out, you're going to see that the file comes inside of a tube, and you have the rubber stopper here. Now, if you take out from the tube, you're going to see that the file is basically transformed. And the reason for that is because it's warm here, and then you have the transformation. Okay, so this is the Expando Finisher. We can put back into the tube, and the reason we use the tube is to actually get the working length using the tube, because the tube has the length marks where you actually can carry up and down and see exactly your working length. Remember, this file, when it's transformed, is 1 millimeter shorter. That's why you want to make that particular measurement here 1 millimeter short. So here you can see, if I take it out, it's transformed. If you want to get the file straight, you can cool it down. There is, in your bench, you have some ice spray, which you can spray on the tube. And when you spray on the tube, the file gets warm, cold, and then you see that the file is actually straight. But the moment I touch with my fingers, then it will make the transformation, as you can see, right? The other way around, to make the file straight, it is actually use a 2x2 gauze, and you can spray on the 2x2, the gauze, and then you can bring the file between the gauze, and then just push it, the file is basically straight, okay? Now, what I want you to do is to mount this file, the Expando Finisher, on your motor. And now I want you to take a new syringe that is warm, right? Because the one that you took it was is already, because remember, we don't have the patient here, and the patient will be around 35 degrees. Take the smallest needle that you have now in your tray, and then just look at what I'm going to do with the tube. I'm just going to put the solution that's warm all the way down to the apical part. Just go all the way to the apical part and fill it, the entire canal. Okay? Just dry a little bit. And now you're going to see that actually, according to the protocol, I'm going to use this file for 30 seconds. And look, 30 seconds, it seems to be very short, but you have to count that, because that's part of the protocol. Now, I will start with the buccal canal, and I'm just going to put down into the canal, and I start to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 8, 9, and 30. And as you can see, the file has worked the entire canal up and down. And now I'm going to irrigate the buccal canal. And as you can see, the entire canal now is completely clean. Now I'm going to do the same for the palatinal canal. The same aspect. I bring the file inside of the canal, and then I will start working up and down, up and down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you continue to all the way up. You don't stay only in the apical part, but you have to bring it up and down, because that is where the expansion happens, to go up and down, up and down, up and down, to scrape all the walls around the root canal. And then by the 30 seconds, you stop, you go in, and then you basically irrigate the canal. And then you can see all the gel and all the solutions, you know, going out. Now you have to be careful, of course. This is an immature tube, and then you can see that the entire canal is completely clean. Now you see that there is a red line going around here. This is a radiopaque material that you know, the producers, they place it in order to facilitate, you know, the X-ray. But you can see how the file is working now. Look at this. It's like a blender, scraping all the walls, both in the buccal and in the palatinal canal. And I just want you to stop 1 second and take a look. If I take this file, and I want you to do this, take the file, my hands are warm now. I want you to take this file, and I'm putting in focus now. I just want you to hold on the top of the file, and then bring your finger around. And as you can see, if you compress the bow of the file, the tip goes up. If you compress the tip, the bows go up, and you can feel the action of the file between your fingers, actually. So that's very, very fascinating. And the moment you put the spray on the